This car has a completely uncut factory harness in it, so of course we can't let that go with the car. And I'm gonna pull that out and possibly a few more things. If I see something I really want, I'm gonna grab that as well. But yeah, we definitely can't let that harness go. Honestly, I've been debating on taking the ECU as well, but I don't know, not a lot of use for it because you have to have the matching like chip reader or key for the ECU to work. So I don't know if it's worth my time of, you know, jacking it or what, but definitely gonna take this harness. Funny story, so today I'm thinking that I had enough propane to get through working this evening and tonight. Time I turned the heat on when I got out here. Tell me why that thing has ran out. So as you can see, I am steaming up already. Yes, sir. Getting that gas, boy. Getting that gas. Alright guys, so in the previous videos you saw we started tearing down this CG that we picked up for parts. Again, this car was 200 bucks and we've definitely gotten our $200 out of it. For a bit of a price comparison, I just want to say we got to look at things like the doors, right? I called one junkyard and they wanted 100 bucks per door. I got all 4 doors and the trunk. Not to mention, this is a 2000-2001, so it's got the newer trunk setup, which a lot of people like, to switch from the 98 to the 2000-2001. I already got that, and my side skirts are more aggressive than the 98 one, so those will look a lot better too. The car is getting a little bit of a facelift while we're doing this paint stuff, and yeah, so we are 200 bucks into this car, and so far guys, I've gotten a full tank of gas back here, right there, whole complete full tank of gas, and brand new freaking set of tires and wheels, and a donut. But yeah, so that was freaking sick. Super glad of that. And one of the icing on the cake parts, guys, is behind the scenes kind of, but I made time lapse some more stuff. I just been going through and I've been cleaning up everything that I don't need. And I didn't realize, guys, I have like a half a gallon of primer right here. So we'll put that to use somewhere along the lines. But yeah, I've been cleaning up pretty much anything that I don't need or use anymore, and I've been using this trunk to throw everything in there. And basically what I'm gonna do is try to fill this car up with as much of my throwaway stuff as possible, And then when I call the junk guy, they'll come pick the whole car up and pay me, hopefully, exactly what I paid for the car or better. So that'll be a win-win for me. I'm not trying to get any extra money out of it. It'd be cool if I could get exactly what I spent on the car back for junking the car, and then all I have in fixing up the trap are my hours, which I don't charge for, of course. So what I'm gonna do now is continue. I need to try to cut up this exhaust that's been in my floor back here forever. Just gotta get this oil residue stuff up out the floor the best I can. If it's still stained, I'm okay with that. My floor is like not the smoothest floor anyway, but I'm just gonna get like the shininess up and sweep it real good and call it a day. I got some super clean, we'll scrub it, and it should be good to go. But got a lot more space here, guys. And guess what? Cat's out the bad, boys. We got ourselves a rear-wheel drive H23 fucking CG. Yo, I might have to make this a thumbnail, bro, for the video and just fuck with y'all a little bit. I don't know. Y'all probably get pissed off though, but this shit looks so fucking weird. Rear-wheel drive fucking CG, yo. Let's go, boys. Who knows, man? Maybe one day we'll make some stupid shit happen like that, man. But yeah, I got this engine pretty much thrown in here the best way I can. I'm just gonna send this on with the car, and so we can make room for the Civic. When we get to turn that down, we need all the space we can get. The trunk is looking pretty damn full, and I've done a lot of cleaning up, guys, so I'm super psyched about that. Probably what we're gonna do is move this car out tomorrow, and I'm gonna try to stage it in a spot to where they can bag right up to it with the rollback and just winch it right up onto the truck. And that way, because I think they're not gonna come till Monday. Tonight is Saturday night, and yeah, so tomorrow Sunday I'm gonna try to get it up to the highway, or not to the highway, but at least in the driveway to where they can just bag right up to it and it won't be in like an awkward spot, and they can just pull it right on out of here, and we can hopefully get a little cash for it. Once we get this out of the way tomorrow, we can jump back on this car and try to get the rest of that paint slash wrap off. I got a couple more flap discs, and yeah, we're just gonna get to it, man, get to grinding this stuff away and try to get at least all of that off. And I may potentially go ahead and start sanding down these doors as well. We'll see how time goes, but I guess what I'm gonna end up doing is stopping right here for the night, and tomorrow we'll just pick the camera back up and jump back into hopefully getting this thing outside and ready to go, and we can get this back underway. All right, boys, so here we are. Man, We almost got it, guys. I swear we do. We almost got this thing. What the freaking wrap at least, man. We almost got the fucking wrap. This side is pretty much good to go. And guys, I have went through the 3 discs that I did by getting this side sent down. And this is the last little spot that I have left. And what's happening is it's just clogging up the flap disc. Like, and once it gets that little ring of like wrap around it, just like this one, this is the last one I was using, it starts to just smear the wrap instead of take it off. And I feel like that's just causing more problems. So I'm gonna have to pause again, guys, until we can go grab another. I'm gonna try to get maybe 2 more discs just to be safe. And we should be able to knock this little section out, and then we can like use the last disc to like touch up areas that may need some touching up and stuff. But yeah, it's coming along, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna do these videos, honestly, man, because it's just like, I know y'all don't want to watch a bunch of sanding, but I'm trying to keep content coming. I'm trying to drop at least, while I'm doing this, I'm gonna try to drop at least 1 video a week, and hopefully we can see some major progress. So I think what I am gonna do is like put a stop here and make this tomorrow's video, and then the next video, guys, we are gonna finish getting this wrap off, and we are gonna sand the doors down, and we're gonna lay some fucking primer. We're gonna do that in the next video, I promise you that. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I know, man, a lot of people just don't like this stuff, but this is kind of what goes into some of this stuff, man. You don't see behind the scenes. This is what we gotta do to try to get something of a decent result out of it. But again, guys, I learned my lesson. No more wrapping shit. I promise you, I'll never wrap another car, man. So once we get this actually finished up and we can put some primer on it, that'll be it, man, and we'll be able to move forward pretty quickly. In the meantime, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Smack the like button for me. I will catch y'all next time. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.